Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for the ultimate way to conquer any terrain or commute with ease? Whether you're a casual rider or a cycling enthusiast, we've got the perfect electric bike for you. Today we're counting down the top 5 best electric bikes of 2024, each offering cutting-edge technology and performance to suit every budget and style. Let's dive in. And of course, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the best deals on these amazing bikes. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Anshir electric mountain bike. If you're on a budget but still want the thrill of an electric ride, this bike is for you. Offering impressive power and a lightweight design, Anshir delivers exceptional value without breaking the bank. Equipped with a powerful 48 V500W brushless motor, this e-bike offers strong climbing power with 55 Nm of torque, making it perfect for hills, gravel paths, city streets, and side roads. Reach speeds of up to 22 miles per hour effortlessly using the throttle, ensuring a swift and smooth ride every time. Say goodbye to range anxiety. The 499WH48 V10.4, a removable and lockable lithium-ion battery, gives you up to 55 miles on a single charge when in pedal assist mode (PAS). Plus, with 3.5-hour fast charging, your adventures and commutes are now more time-efficient and cost-effective than ever. Tackle any terrain with confidence, thanks to the lockable front suspension and dual disc brakes. This bike is designed to handle rough trails and bumpy roads, providing exceptional shock absorption. The mechanical front and rear disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power, even on steep descents, giving you a safer riding experience. Stay informed on the go. The ABS 5-speed digital LCD display shows everything you need at a glance: battery level, speed, assist levels, voltage, and distance traveled, so you can monitor your stats and optimize your ride effortlessly. This electric bike comes 85% pre-assembled, so you'll be ready to ride in no time. A step-by-step video guide is available, and our dedicated customer support is always here to assist you. Plus, enjoy 1-year warranty on the motor, battery, and charger, with lifetime technical support for a worry-free ownership experience. At number 4, we have the Haybike Mars electric bike, offering the best value for its price. This versatile bike is designed for all terrains, whether you're commuting to work or hitting the trails on the weekend. Haybike Mars 2.0 electric bike. Featuring a 1400W peak brushless motor, this e-bike delivers exhilarating acceleration and a top speed of 28 miles per hour, making your rides both effortless and exciting. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or adventuring, this bike has the power to take you there. Powered by a 600WH removable lithium-ion battery, the Mars 2.0 ensures long-range rides, providing plenty of juice for your daily commute or weekend adventures. The convenience of a removable battery allows you to charge it easily, whether at home or at work. Stay in control with the smart LCD display, seamlessly connected to the Haybike app. From your smartphone, you can adjust riding modes, monitor battery status, and even lock or unlock your bike. It's the ultimate smart bike experience at your fingertips. The updated rear rack design offers strong load-carrying capacity, making it ideal for carrying your essentials. Plus, the innovative magnetic feature lets you easily personalize and adorn your bike's rear rack, adding both functionality and style. Equipped with full suspension, including dual shock absorption in both the fork and seat, the Mars 2.0 guarantees a smooth and comfortable ride. Whether you're navigating bumps, rocks, or roots, the bike absorbs shocks effortlessly, ensuring your comfort no matter the terrain. Our third pick is the Lectric XP 3.0, the best folding electric bike of 2024. The XP 3.0 features a robust 500W motor that can reach up to 28 miles per hour in pedal assist mode, with a range of up to 45 miles. It's incredibly compact when folded, making it easy to store at home or in your car. Paired with a 20-amp controller, this bike accelerates quickly, reaching top speeds of 28 miles per hour, making it perfect for commuting, exploring, or simply enjoying the thrill of speed. Equipped with a 48V lithium-ion battery, the XP 3.0 offers a long-range ride of up to 65 miles on a single charge. Whether you're taking a leisurely ride around town or going on a longer adventure, this bike has the endurance to keep up with your journey. With 400,000 plus electric bikes sold, Lectric has proven expertise in creating top-quality e-bikes. Our US-based customer service team is always ready to assist, ensuring you have the best experience possible. We've built a community of satisfied riders, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Safety is a top priority with the XP 3.0, which comes equipped with 180mm hydraulic disc brakes. These provide superior stopping power, giving you peace of mind whether you're riding in wet or dry conditions. Additionally, the motor inhibitors offer extra protection, ensuring precise control when braking. Its compact, foldable design allows you to store it in tight spaces or transport it in your vehicle with ease. If commuting is your main game, the Rad Power Bikes Radster Road is your best bet. Coming in at number 2, this sleek commuter bike is built for efficiency and comfort, whether you're navigating busy streets or cruising on open roads. This city cruiser is designed to conquer all terrains, whether it's roads, grass, sand, or mountains, making it your go-to choice for both daily commutes and adventurous rides. Equipped with dual mechanical disc brakes, the Roamer ensures precise and instant braking power, keeping you safe on every ride. Travel further with the 528WH removable battery, which offers a range of 45 to 60 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for both commuting and long-distance rides. The battery features a quick-detach, sealed design with an IPX6 waterproof rating, ensuring durability and reliability in all weather conditions. Additionally, the battery is securely locked to the frame with a key, providing extra protection from theft. Stay in control with the intuitive LCD display, which shows your speed, battery level, pedal assist mode, and distance traveled. The 7-speed gear system combined with 3 cycling modes, pure electric, electric assist, and manual pedal, gives you flexibility for different terrains and riding preferences, making it ideal for both city cruising and long-distance travel. Safety is a top priority with the Roamer. The bike is equipped with a comprehensive lighting system, including front and rear lights, brake lights, and turn signals on both sides. The turn signals can be activated easily from the handlebars, letting other road users know your intentions and enhancing your safety during night rides or commutes. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Aventon Aventia 2, the best overall electric bike of 2024. This beast is perfect for riders who want to do it all, commuting, off-roading, or casual cruising. Powered by a 350W motor, this e-bike reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, getting you to work or school faster than ever. Enjoy smooth, reliable rides for up to 26 miles on a single charge, and expand your range further with additional PowerShare batteries, sold separately, for longer journeys. Unlike many electric bikes, the Aventon 40V comes with removable batteries, allowing you to charge them conveniently wherever you are, at home, in the office, or on the go. With the dual charger, you can fully recharge the batteries in just 4 hours, keeping you ready for your next ride. Looking to extend your ride? Carry an extra set of PowerShare batteries to double your range and take on longer trips without worrying about running out of power. Perfect for commuters or anyone looking to maximize their riding experience. Whether you're powering through long stretches or climbing steep hills, the Aventon 40V has you covered. Choose from 5 pedal assist levels to customize the power output based on your needs. For an extra boost, use the throttle function to cruise ahead without pedaling. Featuring a step-through frame, this e-bike is easy to mount and dismount, making it suitable for riders of all types. The wide saddle is designed for maximum support, ensuring a comfortable ride even on longer commutes. Speed with confidence, knowing you can stop quickly and safely. The Aventon 40V is equipped with precision mechanical disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power even in heavy traffic or challenging conditions. With its powerful build and smart features, it's no wonder the Aventia 2 is the top electric bike of the year. So there you have it, our top 5 electric bikes for 2024. Whether you're looking for budget, value, portability, or all-out performance, there's an e-bike on this list for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best deals, and let us know in the comments which bike you're excited to ride.